Hey everybody, Bill in Virginia. Welcome back. So picking up from where I left off last time, I fixed that little track over on the bridge, right over near that sign. And that didn't take too long. And now, we're about to pass half an hour, I've been just sitting here watching my trains run. Now the N scale was built to pretty much just let it go. You know, I've got capabilities of doing some switching here and there, which I do. But this one's just built to run, you know, kind of long trains for my garage. You know, not very long compared to others' layouts, but for this, it's a nice train. And I can run two at a time. I can get it fairly well synced up so that they don't have a potential for running into each other. And you kind of see them coming up through here. Yeah, this is fun. So what I'm going to do for the rest of this video is I will get things set up for running on the N scale, make up some different trains, as well as head over here and do some switching on the HO scale and then do some running on the O scale. So you'll see some running here pretty quick. So before I start running trains, just a quick little item here. Got the track and everything cleaned off on the HO scale, and I went back in and I've dusted the top. So, you know, keeping our cars, well, I wouldn't call them clean, but prototypically dirty. You know, we get rid of, we can accumulate a lot of dust. So what I tried tonight was a dry Swiffer pad. Using, you know, for dust mopping in the house and the hardwood floors. So, you know, folded it up, and this is more of a like light, just sort of a pat and pass on the top of the cars, you know, all of the cars and engines, as well as roofs. Just kind of, again, a gentle, just kind of put on down. I've got chalk weathering on a lot of these, so I'm not doing it hard. I'm just doing it very lightly, just to get the dust off. And it's, you know, obviously made a difference. You know, it's not filthy, but certainly there was dust that it pulled up without aggressive rubbing. Made what needed to be clean, and still left, you know, weathering and everything in place. So I'm gonna experiment more with Swiffer pads. You know, I will cut some up, fold them up just for like detail work in and around, especially cabooses. You know, when I take cars off the layout to do a little bit more thorough cleaning, Swiffer pads, now part of my arsenal of cleaning products. Let's run trains. Well, I think that's going to do it for this video. I've been having some fun over a couple of nights running. You know, the video segments that I did, literally, they only take a few minutes. It takes me longer to move the camera than to run the trains. So I've also been having some fun doing switching and other things on the HO scale layout before I did the videos. And, you know, I'm going to leave the backdrops on. And I think maybe yet this week I'm going to come out and I'm going to move the backdrops from that side over to this side. As those of you that, you know, follow the channel know that these backdrops are reversible. So on this side is other scenery, so that when I'm looking at the HO scale from this direction, this is what shows. So I've got N-scale backdrops there that go over on the far side of the yard. Down here, there's some fields and a scrapyard that go just over here. So maybe on the next one, I'll show that. But I'm thinking I am about ready to get started on that O-scale water tank. So I think that's going to be the next big project. So with that, keep having fun on your layouts. Until next time.